Hi Sanjana, how are you?
I'm good, Julie. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me on this talk of yours. Hope this talk inspires all the beautiful women and helps them lead a very healthy and happy life.
I'm sure that's the whole idea about this talk. So, Sanjana Shah is joining us. She is a fitness enthusiast and she's also a luxury curator. But today, with Sanjana, we are going to talk about the fitness for all women. I think that has become very important post COVID. Sanjana has been, during the lockdown, she has been using her home props to keep herself healthy. And Sanjana is going to talk about that today with us. Sanjana, welcome to Emerging Trends.
Thank you so much, Julie.
So, Sanjana, do you want to tell our viewers a little bit about yourself? Not as a fitness enthusiast, that we will talk later as part of our interview. But do you want to talk about what exactly do you do as a professional?
So, as a profession, I'm a fashion stylist and a fashion curator. And otherwise, like you said, I'm a fitness enthusiast.
Okay.
And I also love food. I try to tweak the recipes, so that I manipulate the ingredients and recipes so that it becomes tasty as well as healthy too.
Fantastic. So, post COVID, it has become very important for all women to look after their health, and wellness and health has become key issues with all of us. So, do you want to tell our viewers a little bit about how you kept yourself healthy through the home props and what is your advice to them?
So during the lockdown, as you know, everything was shut. You couldn't go out, get out of the house. You were, locked in your home, and it was very depressing and dull everywhere. There were all negative news in the media all over.
Yeah.
So in such times, strange times, I would say, it was very important that we kept ourselves strong mentally and physically, right?
Yeah.
So I tried to innovate and use. I kept thinking. I started using different props available at home to continue doing my workout,
Okay.
which otherwise I used to go to Neha's fitness studio
Okay.
before the lockdown on a regular basis. But then that not being an option, I had to innovate and accommodate props available at home.
Yeah, use your own workout. That's fantastic. I'm sure women from around the world would love to know about it. If you want to know, Sanjana has created some basic core strengthening exercises, which will be at the end of the talk. You can look at those videos and maybe start incorporating those basic exercises for yourself. So, Sanjana, tell us, what is one advice you would like to give all women from around the world? What has become very important now post COVID?
So for me, healthy does not mean thin,
Yeah.
but for me, feeling energetic,
Yeah.
mentally strong, and physically strong also is being healthy rather than being thin.
Yeah.
Right?
And
So,
that has been a misconception for women.
yeah, totally. Most young girls these days, they have a misconception that being thin is, or size 0 is healthy, right? But I feel that being able to do all the activities without feeling tired, being able to carry out my work throughout the day without being tired or effortlessly is being healthy mentally and physically both. My advice to all the women in general, girls, women, everybody, all age groups, would be to sleep well, to hydrate well, okay, and cut down on sugar and salt. So really cut down on sugar and salt. And to women my age, like 50 plus, I supplement wisely, because it is very important to know your supplements. The way it is important to know your nutrition you get from your daily meals. It is also very important to know your supplements wisely.
So do you want to sort of give an example of, what do you mean? I mean, what kind of basic changes you require to do in your food intake when we are talking about plus 50?
When we're talking about plus 50, so over the years, I have experienced this. When I've always been in working out and like being a very active person. So whatever amount of sugar or fat I had, or whatever amount of food I had, which I'm gorged on food I love, did not really matter. I did not even put on that much weight. Eventually I lost, I'm working out vigorously. But when you're above 50, it is very important to control your food. The quantity of food, I would say I eat everything, whether it is fried, whether it is sweets, or anything which is loaded with ghee. But the quantity is very important.
Right.
Also, it is very important to make sure that you have enough proteins, because as you age, you require good amount of protein, which is again a misconception that
Protein and calcium intake.
Protein and calcium, of course. Actually, that's why I said supplements, must use your supplements wisely.
So Sanjana, this is something we're talking about wellness and fitness, but do you want to little bit tell our viewers about your professional life? What exactly have you been doing and how COVID is impacting that?
So before we move on to my professional life, I also want to add one thing to the girls, all the young girls. It is very important to do 1 hour digital detox. Yeah, I would advise them to plan a fun activity, whatever it is, but outdoors, like cycling or swimming or racing or picnic with girlfriends. Digital detox is also very, very important in these days. I would say you should love your body. You should love because nobody else will be able to love yourself better than you, right?
Right.
And if you give that 1 hour time every single day of being active, I think that will be an investment for life. So that's what I wanted to advise the girls.
And we move on to your professional.
Moving on to my professional life, I have been, like I said, I have been a fashion curator and a stylist. I have curated various shows over the years. I have also styled for photo shoots for jewelry brands like Harit Zaveri. And I have also styled people, like a personal stylist. Names I will not be able to say right now, but yeah, that's also one of my professions.
So Sanjana, when we are talking about wellness and fitness, what motivates you? I think that is something very important for all the women to know, that what keeps you motivated, to stay healthy, getting healthier.
Motivation, the biggest motivation, you look good, any clothes, right? And everybody wants to look good. Secondly, my parents had a lot of health issues. My mom, since years, she had really bad health issues. So looking at them, I always thought that I don't want to be like that. I don't want to live my life just popping on pills. I'd rather have a balanced, life with good health and good wellness.
Yeah.
So that was one of my motivation. And then my husband pushes me. My trainer, Neha, she always pushed me for the last 20 years. And now that I've started working at home, of course, my husband just pushes me to, reach any level. He just tells me that you can do it. Don't say I can't do it. You can do it.
So thank you so much, Sanjana. For our viewers, I would love to show you Sanjana's endurance levels as well. So Sanjana will be sharing some videos with us. which may motivate you to keep exercising every day. If she can do it post 50, then I'm sure that all of us can do it. Sanjana, thank you so much for being here and taking out time to giving me this interview. If you are new to my channel and you are viewing this for the first time, we have wonderful women like Sanjana who has great advice to give you, who are an inspiration to our society on this platform on a regular basis. So do subscribe to my channel. Sanjana, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much, Julie. I hope this really inspires all the women around the world.
I'm sure it will.
And I would also like to add, you can use anything which is available at home. Like I have used plastic bags, I've used my balcony railings, I've used a wall as a prop, a chair, my dining table, and I'll be happy to share all the videos with you.
Thank you so much.